Namit Ritam and all, they reached out to me after watching Rocky Aur Rani because they did feel like a part of Mayank is sort of like this guy, that walk, the walk.
It puts me off when I send someone a message and that person doesn't reply back. It just puts me
What
off.
these idiots?
There are some.
Yeah.
मेरे को खुद फ्लर्ट करते हुए गिल्टी लगता है तो सबको लगना चाहिए.
So Namakul.
Radio Nasha. Hi, Pari hu main, and you're watching us on Radio Nasha and with the cast of Namakul. Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi.
I love this the way you said hi, Pari.
Pari hu main.
So cool, huh?
Very nice.
Very, very cool.
Namakuls are impressed.
Yes. But you remember that song, obviously, I'm sure.
Pari
right? You got
hu
that.
main.
Yes. Okay,
You actually look like a pari, by the way. Yeah.
Says who?
Like, genuinely, like
Oh,
Pari hu main goes.
मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा हम दोनों यहाँ बैठे क्यों.
उनको देखने के लिए
चला
डिबेट.
लेंगे काम तुमसे हम लोग.
We'll manage.
We'll manage.
But congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
This looks fun, and I'm sure it's been a fun experience as well. सबसे पहले तो who has been the coolest on the sets of Namakul in the team?
Just kidding.
He's wearing a blazer.
No.
So you can't really compete with that.
I would say Ritam sir has been the.
I was just gonna say probably
Yeah.
Ritam's probably the coolest guy.
Yeah, he's so much fun. He's so much fun to work with, and he's so excited. My God.
Yeah.
अच्छा लोगों को obviously पता नहीं होगा कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
So he's the director
Yes.
of our show, and he has done a brilliant job. Ritam is such a fun-loving person, and it was amazing to work with him on the sets of Namakul. So yes, I would say that he's the coolest.
Because he has these mind games that he plays a little bit. ऐसे
Yeah.
बातचीत में भी saying कुछ
समझ
ऐसे बोल
नहीं
देते
आता
हैं.
है, seriously बोल
exactly.
रहा है या मजाक
Exactly,
कर रहा
that's
है
what.
ना? Yeah.
But ये कहानी है एक set in a college in Lucknow. मैं आप लोग तीनों से पूछना चाहूंगी कॉलेज में आप लोग cool थे या नामाकूल थे?
मैं तो बहुत cool थी.
हाँ.
100%. I think I was okay.
Identity crisis.
I was okay. I think क्योंकि मैं I was in the drama society and we were so, you know, sometimes the college people think you're cool if you're a part of the society. If you're doing okay. You know, if they're enjoying what you're doing. So I was okay. Plus I was dating, so I was very focused.
You were dating anymore.
I was dating and I was focused, you know. There's
Acha,
not,
acha.
yeah, so I wasn't like looking at I'm a good boy.
Namakul में भी we find our niche somewhere and similarly मेरी भी कोई niche थी college में ऐसा नहीं था
निशा?
कि निशा में नहीं थी.
niche?
नहीं निशा कोई नहीं.
ऐसे ही
niche
जोक्स सुनने
थी
को
आपकी?
मिलेंगे शो में.
Namakul.
क्या niche थी आपकी?
थोड़ा complicated मतलब जो लोग आ रहे जा रहे थे ना अब मैं कैसे
प्यार-
बताऊं Erasmus
प्यार मिला,
programs
पहला
के लिए
प्यार या नहीं?
प्यार बहुत मिला वही था उस प्यार से मेरा पूरा कॉलेज निकल गया so I was very happy with that.
Fair enough.
Just a few bunch of people.
But Hina, looking at your entry, it reminded me of that music from Mehuna.
I know. Everyone
Dun,
says
है
that.
ना?
And we had a bit of,
Reference?
that reference in our minds. Of course, as I said, I can't. मैं 1% भी reach कर गई उधर तो बहुत ही कमाल हो जाएगा. Sushmita looked gorgeous, but yeah, she is an extremely gorgeous lady and a gorgeous person. But for me, मैं बस justify करना चाहती थी कि रूबिया कॉलेज में आए तो एकदम धमाल हो जाए. So yeah, that was my goal. Yeah.
मजा आया रूबिया बन के?
बहुत मजा आया, especially उर्दू बोलने में बहुत मजा आया. Like I am a fan of उर्दू language और because मैंने उर्दू पढ़ी है, मुझे अरबिक पढ़नी आती है तो एक होल्ड है ज़बान पे, तो अच्छा लगता था जब ऐसे भारी भरकम वर्ड्स उर्दू के रूबिया बोलती थी. तो उर्दू बहुत ही फाइन और बहुत ही तहजीब वाली ज़बान है. तो बात कर देखिए जैसे ही मैं उर्दू इसमें आ गई
पूरा
मेरे तो आसपास
हो गया
है ना, पूरा demeanor
अरे
ही change
सब-
हो गया. So that's what Urdu is all about. So I loved playing Rubia.
मुझे लगा बैठा हुआ है कोई हारमोनियम के साथ.
Hina was
After the first couple of days, because they shot a lot together, he used to come to like the hotel and he'd be like, "Bro, Hina," and I'm like, "Yeah." After he's like, "No, I can't focus sometimes." It's just like, this.
Hi.
In a good way, in a good way.
it wasn't I used to come and tell him that she's making the shots for me so much easier.
Yeah.
Because it's like acting is new for me, so there's a certain way you're approaching a scene or something like that, and when you're a novice you're trying to fall in all the potholes, right? And just she was obviously observing how I was taking the scene and she would just drop like one sentence, she would say like, can I say something, like please, it would change the whole scene for me. वो एक मतलब it made it so much easier for me.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक एक्टर, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी एक्सपीरियंस है या अगर कोई चीज आपको बेहतर समझ में आ रही है एक सीन में, नॉट समटाइम्स ही आल्सो हैज गिवन मी सम, you know, there are instances where he has said something to me and it has worked better for me. So it's always give and take. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कोई बहुत ज्यादा जानती हूँ, पर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके को एक्टर को कंफर्टेबल करना, और अब ट्रस्ट मी, आप ऐसा करते हैं ना तो वो सीन ही बेहतर निकल कर आता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव.
ओके, आप लोगों की जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा नामाकुल कौन है?
Probably my nani.
अच्छा,
My nani is the fun. By Namaku, okay, my definition of Namakul isn't off, huh? My
Achha.
What
definition.
is now? What do
What
you mean
is-
by नामाकुल? पहले ये बताओ.
ये बताओ.
नामाकुल का मतलब क्या होता
See,
है?
in a slang sense, it's nalayak. But my nani is not nalayak. Nani, you're great.
He's calling his
अभी
nani
नानी साइड में
nalayak.
रखे.
Nanis can never be nalayak.
No. She's by Namakul I meant she's got this unhinged swag. So she's actually in that sense she's very she says all the wrong things the right way. It's really funny, but it's wrong. You guys know what I'm trying to
Yeah,
say.
yeah.
इतना मोटा हो गया, कितना प्यारा लग रहा है.
मतलब बात चुभती नहीं है.
Yeah,
मतलब
so
चुभती नहीं है.
she's one of the funniest.
Basically मखमल में लपेट के देती
Yeah.
है. It's as simple as that,
Yeah.
isn't it?
So in fact, she is my inspiration for this.
So she's nani cool, you can call
She's
it.
nani cool. She's not nama cool. She's nani
Nani
cool.
Handshake.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was fantastic.
Abhinav, did you shoot this before or after Rocky?
Oh, after, yeah. I mean, Rocky Rani came out. They actually, Namit Ritam and all, they reached out to me after watching Rocky Rani because they did feel like a part of Mayank is sort of like this
Nalayak.
guy, that walk, the walk. I mean, I think they had something to do. They liked that thing in Rocky Rani had this walk. You
हाँ,
know,
वो
like
एक rawness अलग
Yeah,
सी
that
थी,
was
हाँ.
different.
Okay, we'll play a fun game now. This is called cool or नामाकूल. ठीक है,
Okay.
मैं आपको कुछ situations दूंगी. आपको मुझे बताना है ये cool
Cool
है
है
या
या
नामाकूल है.
Hmm.
ठीक है? First thing, checking your partner's phone.
Nama cool for me.
Namakul.
बहुत ही वाहियात तरीके से नाम को.
Yeah, it's.
Okay. Flirting with someone even after you are in a relationship.
Healthy flirting is cool.
Cool.
For me, it's cool.
Okay.
It depends on how secure your partner is. I'm okay with it.
No,
But I
I'm-
feel like
yeah,
I feel as she said, healthy flirting is healthy. It's cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
You look stunning.
It's cute, yeah. Healthy
You also
flirting
look
is cute.
beautiful.
नहीं, मेरे को खुद फ्लर्ट करते हुए गिल्टी लगता है, तो सबको लगना चाहिए.
So nama cool.
नामाकूल. Okay. Cancelling या bailing on plans last minute.
Oh, cool.
नहीं, nama cool.
I'm kidding. I'm obviously
Nama
kidding.
cool. I hate it. I hate the person. I hate all of them. I will never see your face again if you
Yeah.
do this.
अगर कोई
Nama cool.
My best friends have stopped inviting me for things. My best friends, they stop. It's not like I cancel last minute. They just know that I'm. Yeah, I don't
Achha,
show up.
You meant people cancelling it or both
Just
ways?
as a concept.
Both ways.
हाँ.
No, nama cool.
Yeah,
nama
it is namakul and I'm guilty. So I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
If people cancel on me, then it's cool. I don't know. या क्योंकि then ऐसा लगता है कि उसकी गलती की वजह से मेरा दिन खुल गया है. Like कि ओह मैंने तो फुल ट्राई किया था, मैं तो तैयार भी होके बैठा था, अब फ्री हो गया दिन मेरा. It's okay.
so
Then
that-
I-
I mean, the guilt is not on you.
अगर मैं तैयार हो गई और
नहीं, मैं कैंसिल
तो
करता
गया
नहीं,
भाई।
मैं करता
मतलब
नहीं.
खत्म.
पहली
My
बात तो
soul
वो-
will come out.
आप दोनों कर सकते हो मेरे साथ कैंसिल कभी भी करना हो. You are all good, bro. I'll be happy.
I'm telling you, I'm going to hate
No,
you.
no, no.
अगर मैं
पहली
तैयार
बात
हूँ,
कौन-
तुमने कैंसिल किया.
कौन बेवकूफ आदमी हिना खान को तैयार करके बोलेगा अच्छा सुनो मैं घर पे ही रुक रहा हूँ.
सबसे बड़ी गलती. Okay. Forgetting your partner or best friend's birthday.
नहीं. I mean, it's not cool, but nama cool भी नहीं है. हो सकता है यार. Human error है.
2 हफ्ते पहले हुआ है.
Chill,
I forgot my
chill.
lesson.
Human error है.
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
But I still love him and I spoke to him on video. I called him and I spoke to him for 1 hour. Like he
Raghav?
was eventually. Yeah, Raghav. I forgot. I forgot Raghav.
It's a human error.
Right.
Yeah, but they know I care about them and I'm
Yeah.
there for them.
Yeah.
So.
But I like those friendships जहाँ पर ये इतना ज़्यादा ऐसा obligation
Pressure
नहीं
नहीं
होता
है.
और pressure नहीं
Yes,
होता, right?
buddy.
सुन रहे हैं तुम्हारे सारे दोस्त.
हाँ.
Obligation. वो कहेंगे बर्थडे है तुम्हारा, कोई बात नहीं, चलो घूम के आते हैं पार्क में, पत्ते तोड़ते हैं.
Happy only.
Okay, drunk dialing your ex.
Yeah, no, that's not,
No,
that's not cool.
not healthy. Okay. चाय में बिस्किट डिप करके खाना.
So cool. और
That's
कोई
cool.
तरीका क्या है यार? मतलब like Parle Ji and chai is
Cool.
yeah, very
Cool.
cool. Yeah.
Okay. Putting your relationship status on social media as an announcement.
Depends on person to person.
Yeah.
It's your own choice.
I
Okay.
think it's again, it's a very thin line. I don't think it's Namakul or cool. I
Yeah,
guess.
it's your choice.
It's your
You're
choice.
nobody to judge anyone.
I just feel like it's always nicer when things are a little more
Private,
private.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Remaining friends with exes.
Aha, super cool.
Cool?
Super cool.
Wow.
I'm best friends with my ex.
Yeah, yeah.
It
super
requires
cool.
a certain level of maturity.
Maturity.
And
Maturity,
if you are,
understanding,
then it's damn
security.
cool.
Yeah.
Because it's moving forward, keeping your people that you've loved around.
Yeah.
And it's fine. अगर toxic था तो तुम्हें पता है.
I
like,
was
yeah,
invited to
let's
the
see.
wedding.
ये लो.
क्या बात है?
Yeah, I'm friends.
Okay, so it's cool. ठीक है. Now, this is my favorite. You sent somebody a long text and they just reacted. WhatsApp पे
with like
reaction.
one emoji reaction.
हाँ, not even emoji reaction. WhatsApp पे जो आजकल reactions चलते हैं ना, where you can just react, not even respond.
Oh,
Namakul.
dude, that's not
Namakul. It'll put me off, and it
Yeah,
really puts me off.
That's not
It's
okay.
cool.
It puts me off when I send someone a message and that person doesn't reply back. It just puts me
Who are
off.
these idiots?
Yeah.
There are some.
Yeah.
How
When,
silly.
Reaction.
when people
Look
are
at her.
No, it's nothing to do with
No,
that.
not looks. Also, you're a nice
Sometimes,
person.
नहीं, but ज़रूरी नहीं है. I'm just talking about that particular moment. I'm not saying that those people are bad or they are not receptive. I'm saying
but
at
it's
that
also not
particular
respectful.
moment. नहीं हो सकता है वो बिजी हो कुछ हो बट मैं आपको वो एक सर्टेन रिएक्शन बता रही हूँ उस वक्त का उस सेकंड का.
Oh, that
Okay, it
moment.
puts
I
me
thought they
off.
don't reply only.
No, it puts me off when they don't reply.
Keep
So,
it
yeah.
on scene or
Yeah, seen and
read.
then they reply after 2 days. Yeah, it puts
मेरे
me
मेरे
off.
लिए कूल है क्योंकि
Cool है? अच्छा.
मेरे लिए ओपन हो जाता है कि जितनी वो गलतियां करेंगे उतनी मैं कर सकता हूँ समथिंग लाइक दैट
ये अलग ही
मेरा
trip
बट
है.
इट्स ट्रू बट इट्स अगर जैसे मेरा मैसेज नहीं रिप्लाई किया
trip.
and मैंने
Laser
पूछा
band
कि
गया
भाई
है.
तेरे को बोला था ना 6 बजे आने के लिए तू आया नहीं मैंने पढ़ा नहीं मैंने कहा देख मैंने तो लिखा है एंड देन उसका मैसेज आते रहा मैंने यार मैं सो गया था ही कांट सेल बी लाइक यू आर एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस तू मेरे को कैसे बोल सकता है
If your partner shouts at you in front of someone else.
ओह
In
It's
front of it's
absolutely
firstly
Namakul,
not even
but
in
I have
front.
never experienced it.
Yeah, not even in front. In general, also
In
I feel
general,
like
so it's absolutely
shouting is
Namakul.
not required
raising your volume is never okay.
And last thing, trolling या shaming somebody for not watching something. जैसे हाँ तुमने अभी तक नामकुल नहीं देखा.
Dude, I shared that I haven't watched Sholay, and my friend from school said, "You haven't watched Sholay, and you want to be an actor?" And I was like, "Yeah." I'm sure it's a no, I'm not. It's okay. I mean, I'm sure it's a lovely film, but I haven't watched it. But I felt really bad for a second because he questioned my career choice. So I was like, "भाई मैं तो पढ़ के आ गया हूँ, तू अभी बोल रहा है मेरे को ये?"
I've also not watched Sholay.
Yeah.
नामकुल नहीं देखा तो बहुत अनकूल वाली बात है बाकी सब ठीक है
हाँ,
बाकी सब
अनकूल
ठीक
तो है.
Uncool.
बाकी सब ठीक है.
अनकूल तो है. I get it. Yeah, अनकूल है.
थोड़ा देख
वो
लो,
देख लेंगे.
prioritize कर लो.
देख लेंगे.
But thank you so much.
Thank
This was
you.
fun.
Thank you.
And
Before you leave.
Yes. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
You're
ये
welcome.
gesture आजकल बहुत कम
This is for
experience
Pari.
करना मिलता है.
Because
Yeah.
she's just like a Pari.
Radio Nasha.